As a trusted partner of Liebherr Container Cranes Ltd, with a track record of more than a dozen projects and over 500,000 cubic meters of cargo moved, HANSA Heavy Lift is proud to assist Liebherr in transporting 2 fully assembled ship-to-shore container cranes from Cork, Ireland to the port of Hull in England. The shipment took place aboard HHL Lagos and was the first time Liebherr's gantry cranes had been transported fully assembled via a lift-on and lift-off method on a heavy lift vessel. The cranes measured 81.4 meters by 30.3 meters by 57.3 meters. Paying close attention to every detail, working hand in hand with Liebherr right from the beginning, as well as successful on-site cooperation, helped to eliminate any possible risks and allowed the project team to complete the move as planned. Prior to the start of the voyage, multiple analyses and simulations were carried out to determine the safest and most efficient technical procedures for this unique transportation project, followed by the smooth lifting of 2 cranes on board of HHL Lagos in Ireland. This shipment represents a landmark project for Liebherr, as it was the first time fully erected ship-to-shore cranes were transported via a lift-on and lift-off method on a heavy lift vessel after being built in Ireland. HANSA Heavy Lift's P-type vessels and state-of-the-art equipment were perfectly suited to overcome all challenges in solving this complex logistical puzzle. With crane production volume expected to grow, HANSA Heavy Lift is pleased to be a trusted partner, helping to meet ongoing demands in global port infrastructure and guaranteeing that each individual crane is handled with the utmost care. The successful delivery of the fully erected cranes in the UK once more strengthens HANSA Heavy Lift's partnership with Liebherr, ever since their first cooperation in 2011. HANSA Heavy Lift is a world market leader in the heavy lift and super heavy lift business and operates a modern fleet of 14 vessels, one of the youngest fleets in the market. The team is committed to quality, reliability, and a customer-focused service. HANSA Heavy Lift, a safe and reliable heavy lift partner that you can trust. Visit hansaheavylift.com and follow us on YouTube.